When a startup grows, there is an inevitable tipping point. The scattered digital spreadsheets that used to hold the sales pipeline together start failing, causing dropped leads and lost context. Modern SaaS platforms solve the chaos with polished, intuitive interfaces, but they trap growing teams with per-user monthly subscription fees that scale rapidly as the headcount expands. Traditional open-source systems solve the cost issue, but they usually saddle teams with visually dated, clunky software that was built over a decade ago. We can map this software evaluation on a quadrant chart. The vertical axis represents cost, and the horizontal axis tracks team adoption. Modern SaaS platforms land squarely in the top right. Teams adopt them easily, but the financial cost is high. Down in the bottom left, we find legacy open-source tools. The software is free, but friction-heavy interfaces drive adoption rates into the floor. In 2023, Twenty CRM launched to target this empty space. It aims to achieve absolute zero licensing cost and high team adoption. If a CRM feels like a chore, sales reps stop updating it consistently. That poor daily data entry eventually renders the entire database useless. To secure this low-cost, high-adoption position, organizations have to make specific trade-offs. We need to evaluate exactly what businesses gain with Twenty CRM and what exhaustive features they must sacrifice to get it. Interface quality dictates whether your team actually logs their deals. A polished design drives data accuracy, which ultimately determines the return on your software investment. Self-hosting Twenty CRM requires your team to provision, configure, and maintain your own server environment, rather than simply creating an account and logging in to a cloud-hosted product. The strict, non-negotiable technical requirement to run the software on your own infrastructure is Docker compatibility. Because Twenty CRM uses a modern JavaScript technology stack, deploying it requires a higher technical bar than the simpler, older PHP-based installations used by legacy CRM platforms. Navigating this deployment correctly removes the software licensing burden entirely, providing a visually modern sales platform at no cost. This chart visualizes the gap for a 12-person startup. A mid-tier SaaS subscription runs around $600 a month. Hosting Twenty CRM on a basic cloud server costs about $30 a month, generating an annual saving of nearly $7,000. Self-hosting also secures total data sovereignty. Every piece of customer information remains completely isolated within your company's own infrastructure. Warning tone. But teams attempting this deployment without genuine Docker expertise risk severe, avoidable failures and server downtime.
For non-technical teams who want the software without the burden of server management, Twenty provides an official managed cloud version. This managed option includes a generous free tier, so small startups can implement the system and delay any financial costs until their sales volume scales meaningfully. Using the managed cloud shifts the critical responsibilities of routine security patching and server backups entirely onto Twenty's service team. The free price tag of Twenty CRM is authentic, but deploying the self-hosted version means trading technical labor for those waived licensing fees. Once the server architecture is stable, the day-to-day user experience relies entirely on the platform's feature depth. Twenty CRM treats the database like a highly flexible spreadsheet. Instead of forcing users into a rigid, predefined framework, it lets the team mold the workspace. Standard users can build custom data fields and completely new object types on the fly to track unique metrics, all without writing a single line of code. It also fully supports real-time collaborative editing. Multiple team members can update contact records and pipeline details simultaneously, without creating save conflicts. Sales reps manage deals visually using Kanban-style boards, dragging and dropping prospects through customizable pipeline stages as negotiations progress. This immense flexibility carries a specific trade-off. Because the system lacks pre-built enterprise guardrails, teams have to proactively define their own sales processes. To maintain its speed and lightweight feel, Twenty actively excludes heavy modules like native marketing automation and deep support ticketing. This scorecard highlights the workflow gap. While Twenty checks the boxes for modern UI, custom pipelines, and APIs, it leaves empty spaces where older legacy platforms offer built-in marketing and native ticketing. Technical teams can easily bypass these omissions. The platform's API-first architecture and webhook support allow developers to connect dedicated third-party tools for native email campaigns or customer support. Since the ecosystem only launched in 2023,
You will find fewer pre-built integrations and community tutorials compared to older, widely adopted platforms. 20 CRM prioritizes removing daily user friction over extensive feature coverage. It operates as a high-speed productivity tool first and an enterprise suite second. Deciding whether to adopt 20 CRM today comes down to your organization's specific technical constraints and process requirements. Established enterprises that require deep, granular permissions and massive native marketing suites are the wrong fit for this tool right now. Those complex organizations should stick with mature, PHP-based open-source platforms that have spent a decade building out robust enterprise features. The ideal target users are design-conscious startups and SMEs who prioritize aesthetics and are currently pushing tools like Notion or Airtable past their limits. The standard migration path is straightforward. Export your spreadsheet data into CSVs and map those columns directly into 20's flexible custom objects. The safest first step is spinning up an instance on the Managed Cloud free tier. This lets you validate the user interface with your sales team before committing technical resources to a full Docker deployment. For teams equipped with basic server skills, trading a few hours of setup for thousands in annual SaaS savings creates a significant advantage for their bottom line.